Alright, so I got this microwave a few years back. I mean, probably about 8 years or so. Been really a good microwave. We really like the microwave. And we ended up getting one temporarily to, or to replace it. But, this one here is like 100% stainless steel all the way around it. And the other one we have is only skin. Well, we could find a stainless steel in the face. And it started with a weird problem, so kind of show you guys what it does, and maybe somebody can help me figure out what's wrong with it. It may not be worth saving, but it's it's worth a shot. So right now, if I plug it in, okay, if I plug it in, kind of has this thing going on right here, all right? And the weird thing is, as soon as I start to open the door, it starts to go. So then it goes to that. So as soon as I open the door, watch the light inside. I don't want to open it because obviously there'd be radiation or whatever. And then you can clear the timer. You clear it, and it still is running as soon as you open the door. Of course, when you unplug it, it doesn't do that. So, I mean, this is my theory on this. Maybe I'm right or wrong, but if it was like, if I was already cooking something, like if I put 30 seconds on here, and then yeah, it sounds the same, like it's cooking something. Doesn't sound like it's just a carousel moving. If it was like, if it was like this, so like if I was cooking something right here, and then I open the door, and as soon as it start to open the door, it shuts off. So let me try that again. So as soon as I push this, I start to open the door up. Well, it stays running, but it can be cleared, and it still does it. So, like, if it was the door switch, then I think it would be, if it was cooking something, then I tried to open it, then it would be the door switch for sure, because let's say I go to open it, and it keeps running, and then I shut the door, and it keeps running, and I've got something already cooking. But I'm not cooking anything right now, and as soon as I go to open the door, it starts running. So I think it's probably like the motherboard or something like that, I'm guessing. So it's probably toast. But anyway, just let me know what you think. If you have any ideas on how to fix it, just curious. All right, talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.